Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shepon. Today I show you another some push-up exercise. Now today I start using this knee push-up. First of all, your both knees into the ground and both hands straight to the shoulder. Set up into the ground and set, and your both legs up, and you can do this exercise 20 or 30 times at a time. Now I start this exercise. Down, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 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 down. This exercise is very important for our pectoralis major and pectoralis minor, deltoid, bicep, tricep, and trapezius. Thank you.